Welcome to our channel. Today we're doing magic arrow experiments. We need
a marker or pencil, a sheet of paper, glass, and some water.
Let's start. First we start by drawing two arrows that are facing the same direction. Next we pour water in the glass.
Now take your paper and hold it behind the glass. What do you see?
Oh my god, the arrow has changed directions. So why did this happen?
It happened because of something called refraction. Refraction is a bending of light as it passes through different materials. Like this.
As you can see, the pencil looks broken and more thicker in the water. Light travels at different speeds through different materials.
As a result, light turns when it travels from one material to the other. As you can see, at the top, the light from the arrow travels in a straight line and forms an image in the eye the same way, as there is no water in between.
In the bottom arrow, the light travels in a straight line until it hits the water. Then the light is bent due to refraction. As a result, the image appears to be flipped horizontally.
An example are my glasses. They are designed to bend light and improve vision.
Another example is a rainbow. Rainbows are formed when the rays of sunlight bend when they travel through raindrops. Do try this experiment at home. Like, share, and subscribe.